Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the modern workplace. As technology advances, many wonder which jobs will be replaced first and why. In this video, we'll explore the roles most vulnerable to automation, the reasons behind these changes, and what it means for the future of work. Let's begin by understanding how AI is reshaping industries and the factors that make certain jobs more susceptible to automation than others. Jobs that involve repetitive, routine tasks are often the first to be automated. AI excels at handling predictable processes, making roles like data entry, basic bookkeeping, and assembly line work especially vulnerable. These positions typically require following set procedures, which AI can replicate quickly and accurately. As a result, companies are increasingly turning to automation to boost efficiency and reduce costs. Data entry clerks are among the most threatened by AI. These jobs involve inputting information into databases, a task that AI-powered software can perform faster and with fewer errors. As machine learning algorithms improve, they can even recognize patterns and correct mistakes, further reducing the need for human intervention. This shift is already visible in many organizations adopting digital solutions. Bookkeeping is another field facing rapid automation. AI can process invoices, track expenses, and generate financial reports with minimal supervision. Cloud-based accounting platforms now use AI to categorize transactions and flag anomalies. This not only speeds up the process but also reduces the risk of human error, making traditional bookkeeping roles less essential. Manufacturing has long been at the forefront of automation. Robots and AI systems now handle tasks like welding, painting, and assembling products. These machines work tirelessly and consistently, leading to higher productivity and lower labor costs. As AI technology becomes more sophisticated, even more manufacturing jobs are expected to be replaced or transformed. Retail jobs, especially cashier positions, are increasingly being automated. Self-checkout kiosks and AI-powered payment systems allow customers to complete purchases without human assistance. These technologies are becoming more common in supermarkets and retail stores, reducing the demand for traditional cashier roles and changing the way we shop. Customer service is undergoing a major transformation thanks to AI chatbots and virtual assistants. These tools can handle common inquiries, process orders, and even resolve complaints around the clock. As natural language processing improves, AI is able to understand and respond to customers more effectively, reducing the need for large customer service teams. The transportation industry is also feeling the impact of AI. Self-driving vehicles and automated delivery systems are being tested and deployed in various sectors. From taxis to trucks, these technologies promise safer and more efficient transport, but they also threaten jobs for drivers and delivery personnel. Warehouses are increasingly relying on AI-powered robots to sort, pack, and move goods. These machines can work continuously without breaks, increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. Companies like Amazon have already implemented such systems, leading to a decline in traditional warehouse jobs. Telemarketing is another field where AI is making significant inroads. Automated calling systems and AI-driven scripts can handle thousands of calls simultaneously, delivering consistent messages and gathering data. This reduces the need for human telemarketers and allows companies to reach more customers at a lower cost. Fast food industry is adopting AI-powered kiosks and robots to take orders, prepare food, and even deliver meals. These innovations streamline operations and reduce the need for entry-level workers. As technology advances, more fast food chains are expected to automate their processes, impacting jobs in this sector. AI is revolutionizing banking and finance by automating tasks like loan approvals, fraud detection, and customer inquiries. Chatbots and robo-advisors provide financial guidance, while algorithms analyze data to make investment decisions. This reduces the need for traditional bank tellers and financial advisors, shifting the industry toward more tech-driven roles. AI is now capable of generating news articles, social media posts, and even creative content like music and art. Automated tools can quickly produce large volumes of content, reducing the need for human writers and editors in some areas. While creativity remains a human strength, routine content creation is increasingly handled by machines. Legal research and document review are being automated by AI systems that can scan thousands of pages in seconds. These tools help law firms identify relevant information quickly, reducing the need for paralegals and junior lawyers. While complex legal reasoning still requires human expertise, routine legal tasks are increasingly automated. In healthcare, AI is streamlining administrative tasks like scheduling, billing, and patient record management. Automated systems can handle appointments and insurance claims, freeing up staff for more complex duties. While direct patient care still relies on humans, many back-office roles are being replaced by AI solutions. So why are these jobs the first to be replaced by AI? The answer lies in the nature of the work. Tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, and require minimal human judgment are easiest for AI to replicate. Jobs with clear procedures and abundant data are prime candidates for automation, as machines can quickly learn and execute these processes. Data is the fuel that powers AI. Jobs that generate or rely on large amounts of structured data are more likely to be automated. For example, data entry, bookkeeping, and customer service all involve processing information that can be easily digitized and analyzed by machines. Despite these changes, many jobs remain safe from automation. Roles that require creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and complex problem solving are much harder for AI to replicate. Human skills like empathy, leadership, and adaptability continue to be valuable in the evolving job market. As AI reshapes the workforce, adaptability becomes essential. Workers can future-proof their careers by developing skills that complement technology, such as digital literacy, communication, and lifelong learning. Embracing change and seeking new opportunities will help individuals thrive in an AI-driven world. The future of work will be shaped by collaboration between humans and machines. While some jobs will disappear, new roles will emerge that leverage both human creativity and AI efficiency. By understanding the trends and preparing for change, we can build a workforce that thrives alongside technology. In summary, AI is set to replace jobs that are repetitive, data-driven, and rule-based. However, human skills remain crucial in areas where creativity, empathy, and complex decision-making are needed. By staying adaptable and embracing lifelong learning, workers can navigate the changes ahead and find new opportunities in an AI-powered world.